What if I told you, success doesn't need 100% effort? If you keep starting things and quitting after today's, this story is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where ordinary people create extraordinary change. There was a boy named Kabir. He wanted to become successful. But every time he started something big, he failed. Gym for 2 days, then quit. Study for 3 days, then quit. One day, his teacher told him, "Don't try to change your whole life, just improve 1% every day." Kabir didn't believe it, but he tried. Day 1, studied 10 minutes. Day 2, 12 minutes. Day 10, 30 minutes. Slowly, something changed. No pressure, no burnout. Just small wins, every day, after 6 months. Kabir looked back and realized he was no longer the same person. Small daily improvements beat big temporary efforts. Success isn't about big actions. It's about small efforts, done daily. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Start your 1% today. If this story changed your thinking, make sure to follow Peaceful Tales for more.